Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Kospet Prime. As you can see, we have the box of the Kospet here, and we will see in this video what we have in the box, what we have from the watch, and the software and all these stuff. So let's go ahead and start with the box first. As you can see, we have a very simple and beautiful box. We have here some information starting from name, Kospet Prime, black. We have some specification, the CPU, memory, as you can see 3 GB with 32 GB, 1.6 inch display, 2700 mAh, and so on. So this is just the first box. We will see, as you can see here, we have this all white box. And this is very simple. Just after you pull it out, you can see the watch itself. As we saw in the box, we have a 1.6 inch screen. We have the MTK CPU, 1 GB of RAM with 16 GB of RAM. We have the GPS, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support. The side camera is 8 megapixel, the front camera is 2 megapixel. We have a battery starting from 1260 mAh, Android 7.1.1, Face ID, heart rate measurement, messages, full music, signs, function, map, weather, etc. etc. In standby time, this watch it will last 3 to 5 days. In work time, 2 days max. The watch case material is from ceramic, and we have the bands from silicone or rubber, how you want to call it. As you can see now in the box, we have the watch itself. Under this foam, we have 2 little packages. And the left one, as you can see right here, we have a screwdriver, which is used to unscrew the back of the watch in case you insert in the SIM card. We have the screws in case you lose any of them. And in the second box we have the charger. You can see the cable is very long and good material. We have the cable here, and we have the pad or the head of the charger, which goes right underneath the watch. Next we have here a screen protector, which is very useful, and we have the user manual from Kospet. You can see we have here Prime, it says, and we have all kinds of information that we will find in it. So this is the box of the Kospet. Let's go ahead now and power it on, see what we got more. As you can see, with the top button you will power it on, and let's wait until it's fully functioning after it powers on. You can see it says the Kospet logo. And now we have the Android sign as well. As we mentioned, it's an Android 7.1.1. And now, as you can see, it's powered on. We have here in the first page time, date, percentage of battery, heart rate, steps, and weather. We have the front camera for Face ID, also we can use it as a camera. We have here multiple faces that we can change. As you can see, this one is from Kospet. It says at the top Kospet. We have a few information as well, and we have the watch like an original watch, which makes a very good look. At the left you can see notifications. Down we have here steps, kilometers, and burn calories. At the top we have time, date, percentage of battery, Bluetooth, and SIM card sign. In the right we have some shortcuts starting from do not disturb, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, mobile network, GPS, airplane mode, etc. We have cleaner, music control, and weather at the end. And the right we have the menu starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, face unlock, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, assistant, app store, and social optimization. You can see we have a handful of options, which is always a good thing to have in newer smartwatches. Now let's go ahead and test these options, see how they will work. Starting from here, we have the first option, the gallery. We took some pictures outside. This is the first camera, the front camera, and the outside camera as well. We have heart rate. Let's test the heart rate and see how the Kospet Prime will work. Let's wait a couple of seconds and see the results. As you can see, really fast, we have the results saved up with time and date, which is a good thing. We have the fitness. As you can see, we have indoor running, outdoor walk, outdoor run. We have outdoor bike, play basketball, football, ping pong, badminton, rope skipping, etc. Let's try one of the sports and see how they will work. Outdoor run is the first one, 3-second countdown, and as you can see it started. We have the time at the top, seconds going here. We have kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and pace as well. You can pause and unpause the sport mode, or you can just end it all, save your information, or delete it. So these are just a few options that we can test. Now let's test the Face ID. As we saw at the beginning, we put our face there, so let's give it a try and see how it works. As you can see, pretty good and pretty fast. It will recognize my face. You can unlock it with the pattern as well, but the Face ID works really good. So guys, this is the Kospet Prime, and this is all that we have for today. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.